Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of 1957 Ford Thunderbird hardtop convertible, AMT Ertl kit, 125 scale. It says build one of two ways. And this kit came out in 1989. There she is. Got a custom version, but it's really sweet looking. Reminds me of, the MG, oh man, I can't think of it. But the one that looks like that. That's pretty sharp looking. Got the optional spare cover, the old Continental kit again. Very nice. Detailed interior. Stock 292 cubic V8. This is model kit number 6516. That's a beautiful looking car there. Whoever built that did a really nice job. Yep, a little bit of information on the Thunderbird. Over 70 parts in this kit. Some more info. Very nice. And that. Alright, so let's get right into this one. This kit was given to me a little while back by a friend of mine, and he had told me someone had already started it, so we're going to go ahead and see what we got. Here's front windshield, back glass, headlights. Put that off to the side. Here's the instructions, but we'll wait on that. Let's get right into what's going on in here. Alright, we have the windshield frame. Very nice, upside down, of course. There's your molded in windshield wipers. Put that over there. Exhaust manifold. Valve covers. For a minute there, I got it upside down. I thought that was a Chevy symbol for a Ford engine, but if you do it this way, it's the actual Thunderbird. I don't know if you guys can pick up on that. Here's a, oh cool, another, a little car. You see that? I don't know if I can get the angle right for you. It's like one of the ones we go in the, on the package tray or on a trophy. They used to have little trophies with AMT kits that you put a little car like that on there. We got valve covers or head. No, these are heads. Chrome heads, chrome valve covers. I think this is part of that trophy. Yep, pretty slick. And another chrome tree. We have the beautiful front grille, very reminiscent of the 57 Chrysler 300 I did a little while back. That looks very similar to that to me. Some nice wheels. Real thick wheels, wow. And this is part of the Continental kit. I don't know what part gets cut out and what stays, but that's that. A couple of air cleaners maybe. Alrighty. And then we have, the kit was originally molded in, this kit was originally molded in kind of a beige color. There it is upside down again. That's your Continental kit for your spare. Here's the heater blower assembly for the engine bay. And we have the body. It's going to need some cleaning up, or I may make it into a distressed vehicle, weathered vehicle. I don't know yet. Got plenty of time. Details are on there. It feels like it's been painted. Yeah, this has been painted like a cream color, but just didn't hold up well. Got a little bit of flash in there, needs to be cleaned up. Firewall details in there. Yep, let's put that, a big chunk of paint there. We'll put that in the stripper and get that all straightened up before we do anything with it. Well, we got almost fully assembled chassis here. That's kind of cool. There's your underneath view, your bottom view. Molded in exhaust, rear end, fuel tank. Alright, rolling wheels, so that's good. Interior could use a little help. Not too bad though. Alright. And we have the removable hardtop, which is always neat. It's got little rivets built into it. That's cool. Molded into it. Very nice. Looks like we have two hoods. Let me grab the other one out real quick. Oh no, I was mistaken. This is that custom roof with that nice sweeping fastback look to it. That's sharp. I like that. I may build it that way. I really like the way that looked. And here's the hood. Some decent detail there. Kind of simple. If I remember correctly, these open from the windshield upward, not standard like a regular one. That's nice. Here we have one of these. I think this is lower front end part. Would go, yeah, I think it goes right up in there. Something like that. We'll figure that out. And there's 4 more tires in here. This is kind of interesting. These are some nice tires. These are Goodyears. Real nice tread on them. They all appear to be the same size. A lot of flashing on them. We'll clean them up real nice. Nice. Okay. We've got the engine. Needs a little help. Alright. I don't remember if Ford had red engines back in '57. Here's another plastic stick, very reminiscent of the other model I did. Some wheel backs. Another windshield. Maybe to go along with that sport roof. Well, yeah, here's the engine stand. If you didn't want to put your engine in, you could put it on the stand. That was always neat. Bumper, rear bumper. I think it goes that way. Or the other way, whichever. A tire stem for a 1/1 scale vehicle. Alright. Russ, if you need this back, let me know. Pretty neat. Nice hubcap. Very nice hubcap. Those are stock hubcaps. Those are very cool. Some miscellaneous parts. Like a exhaust separator collector thing. Locator. Wheel to back. I think these are the fender skirts. Yep, these are fender skirts for your rear wheel wells. Ertl blueprinter card. And just a few little miscellaneous parts in there. Fan belt. Whoop. Fan belt. Fan. Coolant hose. Axle locators. And a couple of round bits. Alrighty. And oh, it did come with decals. I didn't think there were any. Here's the decals. This is a California plate, I Love Model Cars decal, and some nice striping for a little customizing look. Set that there. Here's our instructions. This is nice. History of the '57 T-Bird. Nice right up there. Before you begin, advanced tips. Here we go. Put her together. Wheels and the engine, the 245 horsepower V8. Axles, interior, the dash, doors, the sides of the doors part, okay. The engine stand, they want you to put that in red. The hood and bumper. Oh, that piece I thought went in the front is part of the bumper extension for the Continental kit. That's what that is. I wasn't thinking. That makes more sense. Here's your heater fan, radiator hose. All right, and that other piece was the radiator shroud. Nice. Put it together on the assembled vehicle. Optional wheel skirts. And let's see here, number 8. Decide which roof you're going to use. Put some headlights in it. Slap some decals on it. You got yourself a pretty ride. Very nice, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one. It was kind of short and quick, but they're all wonderful. Love them all. So thank you again for watching. Appreciate you stopping by. Please be sure to click that subscribe button if you like what you see for more content. And have yourselves a great day, everyone. Thank you for watching. Keep on modeling.